This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm. I'm on our Judson Hill Road farm in Bradford County, and I have a unique hunting opportunity for coyote hunters. You can come hunt coyotes for a day here on our 250-acre Judson Hill Road farm. We're going to be building a new fence, and as you can see, our fences are in very poor condition. So we're going to be building a new fence, and we need fence posts and barbed wire. So you can bring us 2 rolls of barbed wire, and you can hunt for a whole week, or 20 4x4x8 locust, cedar, or pressure treated fence posts. Or if you just want to hunt for a day, 1 roll of barbed wire or 3 4x4x8 fence posts. We have on this farm 250 acres. It's mostly open and wooded. We have about 100 acres of woods here and about 150 acres of open fields, as you can see, and it's great for long-range shooting. I will also have a special offer for deer hunting in Bucks County, which you should see on our website at huntingrelics.com. So give us a call if you want to do a little bartering for some hunting opportunities at 215-651-8329. Thank you. This is in our Judson Hill Road farm in Bradford County. It's always pretty windy up here. It's pretty high elevation. Nice big open fields. A lot of cover here for deer. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. At our farm we have lots of trees and shrubs for you to select from. We specialize in screens, windbreaks, and barriers, and we will deliver and plant for you. We deliver and plant all over the East Coast, and we have trucks on the road daily to ship to points as far away as Boston, Memphis, Detroit, and we are capable of delivering and planting to most eastern U.S. states. We are located in Fountainville, PA, and Lenoir, North Carolina, as well as Bradford County, Pennsylvania, and a little tiny town called Milan, PA. So if you need trees or shrubs, don't hesitate to call us, because we will try and get them to you and plant them for you if needed. We are wholesale and retail, and we always have lots of specials for you. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you.